In this next topic, Cybertruck is getting big updates. Now, finally, Autopark, still not full self-driving, is actually rolling out. Let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla geohacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Saria. He posted this. Autopark for the Cybertruck has started rolling out to some owners in the US. Last week we got, or maybe a week before, we got parking sensors because, believe it or not, the Cybertruck came out and didn't even have parking sensors. And now we have Vision Autopark, where the truck could potentially park itself into a parking space. So step by step, baby steps, we're actually getting it. On top of that, a front opening, automatic opening just got released as well. Here's a video from Dirty Tesla. So you can see all you have to do is walk up to it and it gives 3 beeps and then it opens on itself. And this is one of the features that is exclusive to the Cybertruck because only these Tesla Cybertruck has the automated powered front in the front. So maybe I'll start to use this a lot more now that it's automated up there. And on top of that, from Elon said that maybe because the Cybertruck in future Tesla steer-by-wire vehicles might feature stationary steering wheels and during autonomous maneuvers like autopilot, full self-driving, and autopark. So he's saying that basically because the vehicle's already driving itself, maybe the wheel doesn't have to turn with it as well. That could be super weird for sure in practice, but maybe this could be something that could be a cool thing in the near future. But I feel like that'd be weird because you kind of want to make sure that you could take control whenever you want to. And I feel like when the wheel would turn with you, it would be a better, more comfortable feeling. There's more updates with 2024.3 2.31. If you want the full features from Now to Tesla app, you can see all the different features, including the hands-free front and also enabling or disabling that hands-free front when you're near home or even work, because sometimes you don't want it to open no matter what. And here's a cool video I saw from AI Driver. He was demoing the AI summon features with Tesla vehicles and he was able to capture it from the front. And this looks trippy as heck, right? Just seeing a Tesla vehicle being following you. And this is, I guess, a glimpse of the future of what Tesla Robotaxi might actually look like. And the Robotaxi event is 1 month away. That's happening on October 10th. So we're going to see more and more and more of this. And latest from Tesla, they actually wrote that full self-driving will be significantly safer than human driving. And I kind of almost could believe this. I don't know about you all, but I feel like whenever I'm driving these days, a lot more people are running red lights than are normal. And so certainly at least full self-driving won't run a red light. It'll probably just stop as hard as possible so that it will be the most safest, because it's got camera detection is going to stop no matter what. And there's really no way a full self-driving computer probably cannot be not paying attention. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts on it. Let me know what you're thinking. If you got a Cybertruck, congrats. We are going to get more updates finally, and maybe we'll get full self-driving and autopilot by the end of this year. Fingers crossed.